Who has the hiccup? Who has the hiccup? Can you smile for Mommy? Can you smile? You're looking right into the camera?
And that while I have the hiccup.
Oh. Oh. Let me hit myself in the face, please. This is the 4th time today I've had the hiccup. Say bye-bye.